Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making this plate of Bistec Suave with a Nopalito, topped off with cheese and salsa. To start off this delicious plate, we're going to begin with the meat. Here we have about a pound of Bistec Suave and we're going to begin marinating it. I'm using about 2 lemons. I'm just squeezing it on top, making sure I get it all over. Now I'm adding lemon pepper, just coating the meat on both sides with it. If you don't have lemon pepper, you can also use salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna lightly coat it with sea salt. Always make sure to get both sides. I'm adding the lemon juice. Next, the lemon pepper. Before we continue with this delicious recipe, I want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to please like and subscribe to our channel. Now back to the video. I'm just finishing up with the sea salt and gonna do the rest of the meat until I'm done. I'm coating each one the same way. This is actually one of my top 10 favorite dishes. Try it out and I guarantee you will love it, especially if you like Nopalitos. Here I have my Nopalitos ready. They are already washed and peeled. Once you're done with your meat, you're going to let it marinate in the fridge for about 1 hour. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to help tenderize our meat. It also helps it be juicy and full of flavor. I'm gonna add more lemon because as you can see, I love lemon. Now let's make a salsa. Here I have 5 tomatoes and 1 jalapeno pepper. I'm gonna put these to roast in here for about 15 minutes. While that is cooking, we're going to get the rest of the ingredients to make the salsa ready. Heat up a pot and add in some olive oil. Next, add in 3 garlic cloves already peeled. This is gonna give our salsa a beautiful taste. I'm adding chile árbol. Here I have 10 of them. If you don't like your salsa too spicy, only add about 3 or 4 of these chiles because they are very spicy. Make sure you're constantly stirring this because you don't want to burn it. Now that they're ready, I'm just gonna put them in this bowl because I don't want them to get burned. I'm gonna set it aside while we wait on the tomatoes. Okay, now that the tomatoes are ready, we're gonna add everything into the blender and puree it. This smells so good. We are going to add our chile árbol and the garlic we cooked earlier. Add in some salt. And a bit of water. And this is how this salsa turned out. Can't wait to try it. Ooh, this salsa is spicy. Now let's get the cheese ready. Here I have pepper jack cheese. You're just gonna cut it like this and be careful not to cut yourself. This cheese is gonna go on top of the meat melted. It's gonna be amazing. Now moving on to cooking everything. I'm getting my pots ready, adding in some oil and making sure they're all hot. Make sure to get spread evenly. And I'm gonna do both of them. I'm gonna start off cooking the nopalitos, just gonna lay them on top. I'm going to carefully slice it a bit with the knife. I'm gonna do it half and then one half and then the other side. And I'm gonna do it for each one of them. It just makes it easier to cut off while you're eating it. While those are cooking, I'm gonna start cooking the meat. I'm gonna add 2 at a time and let it cook for about 5 minutes on each side. For your nopalitos, you're gonna stay flipping them every 2 minutes. Do you guys know that nopales are native to Mexico? Many people know it for its health benefits. The purported benefits of nopal include lowering blood sugar, healing wounds, and reducing cholesterol. These nopalitos are about to be ready. This meat is about to be ready too. It smells amazing in this kitchen. Now that the meat is finished cooking, add in your cheese on top. You're going to completely let it melt. Everything is pretty much ready. Now it's time to plate. Get your nopalito. Your piece of meat with the cheese. Get right on top of the nopal. We're gonna do the same for all of the ones we're gonna eat. I'm probably gonna eat about 2 or 3 of these. Ooh, look at how cheesy that is. Now to top it off with this spicy salsa. It looks perfect. And of course, we have to try this like right now. Delicious. You guys definitely have to try this. Well, I gotta go finish this plate. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.